interrupt your scrolling for a special update. Get in the truck for all that bucking stuff.
Small town America, let's talk about something stirring up a bit of controversy at the National Finals Rodeo. You might have heard that a few cowboys got hit with some pretty hefty fines right after the opener, and it's causing a lot of chatter. Specifically, Kai Hamilton, Jaron Luntford, and J.R. Stratford were each fined $250 for wearing a protected bird feather in their hats. And get this, that fine will double if they're caught wearing them again. Now, before everyone jumps on the PRCA, it's super important to understand what's really going on here. Cowboys wearing feathers in their hats is a tradition as old as rodeo itself. But the issue isn't the tradition, it's the specific type of feather. What a lot of people, including maybe some of the cowboys themselves, do not realize is that there is a federal law in place called the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1980. This act makes it illegal to possess, sell, or even transport the feathers of most native migratory birds without a special permit. We're talking about hundreds of species, from hummingbirds to cardinals. It doesn't matter if the feather was shed naturally or if you found the bird already passed away. Possessing it is against the law. Now, there are exceptions. Feathers from non-migratory birds, like chickens and turkeys, are generally fine. But birds like eagles, hawks, and owls are a whole different story, with even stricter laws protecting them, specifically the Bald and Golden Eagle Protection Act. So, this isn't just some random, silly fine the PRCA decided to hand out, they're enforcing a federal law. The PRCA's own rulebook clearly states that feathers from eagles, hawks, owls, or any other protected bird are not allowed. It's not just a rodeo rule, it's the law of the land. We also have to remember the bigger picture here. Rodeo is constantly under a microscope. Organizations like PETA are always looking for reasons to criticize the sport, often citing mistreatment of animals. The PRCA has to be incredibly proactive to protect the image and future of rodeo. While some fans and cowboys might not agree with the fine or understand the reasoning, the PRCA's hands are tied. They have to enforce these federal regulations. The NFR is the biggest stage in our sport. It's when the whole world is watching. If there was ever a time to be absolutely by the book and walk the straight and narrow, it's right now. Not following these rules, especially federal laws, could give critics the ammunition they need and cause serious damage to the entire rodeo industry. It's a tough situation, but it highlights the responsibility everyone has to protect the sport we all love. What are your thoughts on this? Drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to Small Town America for all that bucking stuff.